Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Gull Lake, Saskatchewan, a friendly prairie town with wide skies and a proud community spirit. This place got its name from the nearby lake, where early travelers often spotted flocks of gulls resting on the water. Gull Lake was officially established in the early 1900s and quickly grew thanks to the arrival of the railway. Back then, it served as a key stop for settlers and ranchers moving west. The area is rich in farming and ranching history with deep roots in wheat, cattle, and hard work. You'll find beautiful old buildings here like the Lyceum Theatre, which has been entertaining locals for generations. The surrounding landscape is classic Saskatchewan, big fields, rolling hills, and endless skies. Whether you're passing through or planning a longer stay, Gull Lake offers a unique blend of history, nature, and small-town charm that Thanks for watching!